We're back in the workshop with this Ashdown Engineering guitar amplifier, which if you remember, we're trying to tidy up. The Tolex covering on this was pretty badly damaged. It had a bit of a tough life, looked like a dog had been chewing it. So we've removed the cover and we bought some new Tolex. So one thing that's moved on since the last video, I've sanded all of that down because I did realise if I hadn't have done that, it's all nice and smooth now. When we put the new Tolex on, any little bobbles and indiscretions from that old glue would show through. So the cabinet's prepared, we've got the Tolex. Now we cut the sample out as well. Now if you recall, it had some creases in it which magically have disappeared. So my idea was to just hang this up and see if those creases would fall out. That didn't work. I ended up ironing it. I had an iron with on quite a low heat, and I just ran it over the back on the material side. So next job is to glue this onto the cabinet. And I've done a bit of research and it basically says you've got one attempt at this. So we apply the glue, which I've bought, and you spray both surfaces, Tolex, and we'll spray the cabinet. You leave it 2 to 5 minutes until it goes tacky, and then you put the two together. But once they connect, they're stuck. So we've got to make sure that we get the Tolex absolutely spot on when we put it to the cabinet. So wish me luck. Right, I'm in a bit of a think through about how we do this because we've got a messy substance and we've got limited time as well. We've got that kind of 2 to 5 minute window. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to spray the Tolex in the workshop and I'm going to spray the cabinet outside. But in the interest of having a workbench when I'm finished, I think I best cover this up. So let's get some paper down. Shake well before use. Okay, we spray at a distance of 10 to 20 centimetres. I've removed anything of any value around here because I'm not quite sure where this is going to go, so wish me luck. Oh, not so bad. Not sure how much you put on, it stinks a bit. I'm going to get the door open. So I'm going to nip outside, I'm going to spray the cabinet, and then we'll set the clock. Right, the cabinet's done. That was a messy job. And we're probably about 3 minutes in. I'm not sure. I think we'll just wait. Right, let's get the cabinet. I have had a dry run at this. Got a pretty good idea where I need to place it. This is very tacky now. Right, getting very anxious here. I put the surgical gloves on because I managed to get some on my hands and I can't get the damn thing off, so it'll be on the outside, which is exactly what I don't want. So I'm gonna lift this up. Oh, it's stuck to everything. Oh my God, it's stuck to the paper. This is my front edge, and there's the teeth. This is going to be tricky. Yeah, very, 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 very sticky. Stuck to itself, sticking to the unit. That's better. So I know that corner. Slightly missed, but I'm going to have to go for it. Oh my God, this is sticky. Oh, I know what I've not done. I wanted to do. Let's lift it off the ground. It's on. So what have I learned? My God, it's sticky. I may have put too much glue on, I don't know. It just sticks together straight away. I'm going to leave that to go off. I'll be back in 10. It's all going wrong. It's all going wrong. I've glued up the back and the base. Stuck to everything. So I'm going for it. There's glue everywhere. There's glue on my hands. Nothing is quite right. And then on the top, which is stuck to the paper, There we go. And they go on the front joints. There we go. Covered. Right. Oh. I need to sit down. So just before I finish on this, I have some corner pieces, mostly to cover up the poor workmanship. Right, glue's gone off. Tolex is nicely secured on the cabinet. There's a little bit of overspray. I did some research. This industrial cleaner, it's a citrus base, which I think is because it stinks if they didn't put the citrus flavour in it. Fantastic. Just on a lint-free cloth, I managed to clean off all of that excess which was on the back, so I'm really pleased with that. That's good. So next job, we'll get the furniture back on. We've got the handles, so I gave the two mounts around the handle, I've given them a coat of black gloss, and the two bolts go through those. I gave those, just the heads of those, a bit of a touch up as well because I could. And that was all a bit grubby and messy, so I'm getting that clean as well. Let's get it all built. Now, one thing I do need to do in the top, if you remember, there's the 4 holes which hold the amplifier in. So I'm going to locate those now, and using my very sharp knife, and actually reveal the hole. There we go. 4 holes cut. I can just see where that hole is. There we go, for the hole. Then let's get the handle back on. Perfect. Let's get the rest of it done. Right, feet are on. Next job is the silver foil. Probably the hardest roll of tape I've ever had to get into. There we go, all in. There it is. So that's in there. Very sticky again. Next, let's get the amplifier back in. Okay, top's back on, amplifier back in. The soldering iron's nice and hot, so we're going to reattach the speaker. Terminals are marked, positive and negative. There we go, and as it cools, perfect, that's connected. Perfect, that's in. Let's just flip the speaker over. Take the little sticker on I put to remind me where the top was. Let's get the screws in. Speaker back in. Finishing touch. All done. The only thing I've not put on is my additional top corner pieces because I haven't got the right screws to fix those in, but I'll come back and do that. So thanks for watching this video. I do hope you've enjoyed it. You might have enjoyed it a bit more than I did doing it. It was a difficult job, but we got there in the end. I hope we've made it better. That's what we set out to do. So if you have enjoyed this, please do hit the subscribe button. Do give me a thumbs up and a like, and we'll see you in the next video. Onwards, and hopefully we're going upwards.